Hi everyone, TechATV here. Today, I'm gonna show you how to replace defective printhead of this Brother DCP-T720DW printer. First, let's have a test print to see the actual issue of this unit. So the problem of this unit is no printout due to its defective printhead. So without further ado, let's start to replace its printhead. To start, please turn off the printer first. Then unplug the power cord. Then start to disassemble the unit. Remove the scanner stand. Remove the top cover. And detach the scanner wires and flex cables. Then remove the flatbed scanner assay. Remove casing screws. Then uninstall the front panel controller button. Then we can now remove the cover. Then roll the white gear to put the printhead on the center. Then remove the carriage PCB cover. Detach the printhead flex cable. Detach the ink tubes. Remove carriage PCB flex cable. And remove CR encoder strip. And detach the CR timing belt. Then we can now simply remove the printhead. Remove the timing belt from the defective printhead. Then install to the new replacement printhead. Attach the ink tube rubber gasket. Then install the printhead. Attach the CR timing belt. Install the CR encoder strip. Ensure to attach it properly. Install the carriage PCB assembly. Attach the printhead flex cable. Then ensure to align the carriage PCB flex cable properly. Then install the ink tubes. Install the carriage PCB cover. Attach the cover. Attach the ink cover sensor. Then install the front panel button controller. Attach the scanner. Attach the scanner wires and flex cables. Then attach the cover. Attach the scanner stand. Then plug the power cord. Then press Menu, Mono and press plus button 4 times. To enter maintenance mode. Then press plus button and enter 7 and press OK. Press a plus button again and enter 6 and press OK. Then press plus button again and enter 6. Press OK. And press mono button to start initialize or purging. Then wait until purging process is done. When done purging process, just enter 99 to exit. From maintenance mode. Then now let's have a test print to check its printout quality. Then now, we have here a good quality printout. And that's how simple it is to replace the defective printhead and fix printout issue of this Brother DCP-T720DW printer. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.